Hello, my name is Dinesh Kumar, and today I'm going to show you a project based on PictoBlox. In that, I'm going to detect I'm working on the face detection using the PictoBlox actually, and here it is. Let's check out. So there are some boxes we can see and of different colors. So that first block, orange color, which is known for the initiate the code by clicking this. So we can see that code is running right now. So I'm going to stop right now. So first of all, I'm going to explain the code. So turn off. So if I turn off this, so if I run this, so it will turn off the camera, and I'm going to stop right now, and then I have to on for detection. So let if we run that, so camera will on. So what is transparency? So transparency is just here. So this is the parameter, so which is used to uh, if we are taking 0, so it will show accurately transparently. If we increase the range, so it gonna be fade. Let me show you. So this is if I did 52%, so it become fade actually. If I increase this transparency, so if we run this code, so so I'm not visible, so full screen is becoming the white. So let's stop this program right now, and then we can reduce it. So if we again we can run this program. So let's see. So I am visible. So let's stop. So when we so this is nothing bouncing box that is visible, that is bouncing box which is detecting the face actually. So set of threshold. So in this, so threshold is basically used for the accuracy. If I can increase the if I can, so accuracy, when we talking about the accuracy, so 0 to 1. So if we increase the increase the value of threshold, if we put it 9, so it might be more accurate. So let me run this program. So if its database is not, so if we can see it's showing the not detect. Let's stop the program and make it 0.5, so we can check what is the result. So when we talk about, so reset class is basically clear the whole data from the database, and after this we gave some pause in between, and that add class, this column is used basically this is the function that allow the user to add the particular face into the database. Basically we are going to store our face in the database, and for further to match that database here from the from the like real time, we can match our face. After this we introduce the loop actually, uh, never ended loop. So after this, in that we put if else condition, and the class detect is a block function, and that function which is used to detect which is used to analyze uh, the number of faces basically. So I am here single, so there are lots of faces we can introduce in this, so it can classify. So let's run the code first, and then we will see the result actually. And so we can see uh, my face is detected, researcher is detected. So here it is. Thank you.